Saying just to do this one later.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah, I would say do this later.
And these two, you're gonna make 200, and you can make like 1 hour or 2 hour faster, right?
Right.
Okay. So.
No, we changed this one.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. And that one. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. But we have to, shucks, it's not gonna be easy. We gotta cut a lot of pipe out. Okay.
What's this one doing also? It's part of the BRB.
That, electric.
Yeah, you need to
Yeah,
remove
that's,
that electric.
yeah, it used to be there, I guess. I don't know what that is. Sometimes they hook
yeah,
grounds
this light
up
is
to the pipe.
working, I know, but I don't know that yellow one. What's it doing over there?
Yeah, I don't know. But we're gonna cut that whole piece out. Boom. Boom. 2 shock bars and PRV.
Why this thing has bypassed the BRB?
What's that? What's that?
Why this one bypassed the BRB?
That's for your hose bit. That's probably, for the water hose in the backyard. You know the water hose? Where you hook the water hose at? You know where you hook a water hose in the backyard?
Yeah.
That's called a hose bit. One of them go to the back, and this one right here go to your front. You have this one go to this the front of the house or the back of the house?
This front house.
Yeah, so that go to your hose bib in the front, and it's hooked up to your, wait a minute, I'm getting confused here. All right, this your main. And one of these gonna be for your front hose bib, and then your back hose bib. I don't even see it. So maybe that's your front hose bib. That's going to your water hose in the front. So you need that. And it's before the PRV. See? So you can get full pressure. So if this is 100 PSIs coming in, you're getting 100 PSIs going to your front water hose. So that in case you have a fire or anything, when the emergency come, they got access to water. They ain't got to worry about getting weak water. Because after this PRV, your water get weak. So it can be safe in your house. You got it? So I'll do both of them for 200.
200.
And if we need that one.
If it's 2 hours, why don't you charge me like 120, something like that?
120? Are you kidding me, brother?
Oh, what about the 150? Is that
What about
Let's come to the middle.
How about move me in your house? Let me stay in your house and you stay in my house. Come stay in my little house.
Oh, that's.
And let's trade houses and jobs. Where you work at?
I just walk by myself.
By yourself? Let's switch lives.
That's what I do. See?
Oh, machine screws. Oh.
So
Cool.
Can you help me about this?
What's that? What's wrong? I don't do electric.
No. You don't do electric?
Nah, just plumbing.
Okay, that one and this
Trying
one.
to call me. So I got one more job to do, man. What you want to do?
Okay. So that drip coming from there, you say you're gonna stop when you change that two things, right?
From the water heater, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Let me look at that water heater one more time to make sure I get the right size. TMP valve. Oh, okay, I see. It's a short one. All right, we good. Okay.
I'm gonna show you some.
Man, you ever see a doorknob in the middle of a door?
Huh?
No, I'm just talking. I'll be on YouTube. I got a doorknob in the middle of the door.
What you wanna do?
That's cool, man. How you get a doorknob in the middle of the door? Wow.
They did it all the time.
Yeah, that's cool. Never seen that. Decoration. Yeah, I love old houses. Oh man, I keep pulling the wrong way. I'm reaching over here. It's over here. Wow. Yeah. Thinking about moving out of this town, man, but I'm gonna miss Atlanta. All this green. Peace.